David and you're watching Btekt. Now I have to confess, I'm really bad at saving money. Terrible in fact. If I have to save money, I have to give it to my better half. She does it for me, which I'm sure is the case with most blokes. So when I was asked to try out a new app called Savedroid, well, I was hopeful that this kind of thing could help me sort out my bad money saving habits. Savedroid is a cryptocurrency money saving app which lets you set your wishes or goals and then contribute to that wish through schmoves, which is short for smart money saving moves. So here's where it gets a bit interesting. Your schmoove can be linked to an activity or to some kind of event that happens, and it also helps if that activity is in some way linked to what you want to save for. For example, if you're saving for a car and you walk instead of paying to get on the bus, then you can put away whatever you saved by not getting on the bus towards your car. One example that Savedroid gives is that you can put some money away every time Donald Trump tweets, in which case you will probably hit your goals pretty quickly, as this guy tweets almost every single hour of every day. Just for kicks, I went and had a look on his Twitter account just to see how many tweets he did in one day, and it was 18. And I'm sure that was an average to slow day. But anyway, you get my drift. So what does it mean by cryptocurrency saving app? Well, the system uses artificial intelligence to invest your money in whichever one of the currencies is going to do best for you. This kind of thing tends to go over people's heads, but Savedroid removes all the hassle in investing in crypto and does the heavy work so the consumer's life is made easier. You can check this out on the Savedroid website, the link is in the video description, or you can find the app on the Play Store. Once you've downloaded it, you need to give the app a few permissions, and then you're in. Of course, the first thing that it wants you to do is to enter your credit card details. You can also use a debit card. You get a €5 bonus for adding your first card. But if you're not 100% convinced at this point, you can skip this step and have a look around the app. In fact, it is functional without your credit card. You can still set up your wishes and your schmoves. So let's have a look through it now. And I want to save for a new lens for my GH5. Disaster struck the other day when my camera had a meeting with the floor and it broke my Panasonic Leica 12-60 lens, which is literally my workhorse. It's such a beautiful lens, and yes, it's very expensive, currently on sale at Jessop's for £799. So I'm going to set this as my wish and I'm going to name it like a lens. You then type in the amount that your wish costs and how long you want to save for before you achieve this wish. You can set your time limit in either weeks, months or years. And I think that 3 months should be just about enough for me. So now that I have my wish set up, it's time to attach a schmoove. There is a selection to choose from. You can have when you use your phone in certain ways, like take a photo, or if you do sports, or if the weather during the day is sunny, or like it is here today, chucking it down in the middle of summer. You can have when you're at a specific location, or if somebody tweets. It doesn't have to be Donald Trump. The final one here is when there's a unicorn, so basically never it seems. Or if you don't fancy any of these, you can suggest your own. As it's the middle of summer and it's been basically a washout, I'm going to choose when it's raining. It then asks me how much money I want to save. It's suggesting €2.50. You can change the currency to pounds if you wish. Then simply link this schmoove to your wish, or to multiple wishes. I also have another schmoove here, which is when I ride a bicycle for more than 15 minutes a day. It will then save me 50 cents. If you notice, these are all things that your phone will know that you're doing, so it will happen automatically. It will know when you're riding a bike and it will know if it's raining. One thing I noticed about this app is that the security is very strict. When you're dealing with this kind of app, it is very important. It's a really good idea to set up the fingerprint ID. If you don't, you will constantly be asked to re-enter your PIN. Even if you don't leave the app, just moving around the app will require your code. And if you want to be able to withdraw any of your savings, you need to go through the verification process. You'll need to upload a picture of both the back and the front of an identification card. I used my driver's license, as well as a picture of your passport. Once you've done that, the app will ask you to handwrite on a piece of paper the word Savedroid and the date. Then take a selfie with a piece of paper and send that through as well. It seems like a lot of faffing about, but you'll only have to do it once, and it's great that they take security so seriously. Remember, this is a cryptocurrency saving app, so the AI will invest your money wisely, and over time you will see a return. It's definitely a great way to save money. I have to say I was a little bit skeptical at first, but I am enjoying using this app. Just be careful and be sensible when you're using it, and I think you'll enjoy it too. If you're terrible at savings like I am, then it's definitely worth taking a look at Savedroid. If you've used the app already, then it would be great if you could leave me a message and let me know how you're getting on. Anyway, that's it from me for today. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. It's at Btekt. If you want to check out Savedroid, then you can find a link to them in the video description as well. Thanks for watching. My name's David. This is Btekt.